What if I told you drinking 1 glass of this every day could improve your erections and your fertility? I'm Dr. Max, urologist and men's health specialist, and today we're breaking down some fascinating research on one fruit and what it can do for your sex life. In the last few years, researchers have been diving into how one antioxidant-rich fruit affects blood flow, hormones, and sperm health. A major study published in Clinical Nutrition had men drink a glass of this juice daily for just 2 weeks. The results? Not only did participants report stronger erections, they also showed a measurable increase in nitric oxide levels in their blood. That's the exact molecule your body uses to start and sustain an erection. But first, let's talk results. In another clinical trial, published in the International Journal of Impotence Research, 53 men with mild to moderate ED drank just 1 glass of this juice every day for a month. The outcome? Almost half of them saw real improvements in their erections. Not just felt better, measurable changes in performance. And here's the wild part. This wasn't some expensive prescription. No pills. No pumps. No sketchy websites. Just 1 glass. Once a day. Simple. But hey, let's take it a step further. Because it's not just about getting it up. It's also about what's in your tank, if you know what I mean. A study out of Turkey first tested this on rats. Yeah, I know, poor guys. They gave them daily pomegranate juice and saw massive improvements in sperm count, mobility, and overall quality. Now, you might be thinking, cool, but I'm not a rat. Fair point. So here's the kicker. A 2020 human study took real men, gave them pomegranate extract every day for 12 weeks, and guess what? Their testosterone levels went up. Their sperm moved better. We call that motility, and that's a huge deal if you're trying to conceive. More energy, stronger swimmers, better hormones. All from something you can buy at the grocery store. So what's the fruit? Pomegranate. And here's why it packs such a punch for your performance. First, antioxidants. Pomegranates are loaded with phenylhalogens and anthocyanins. Yeah, those are mouthfuls, but what they do is simple. They protect your blood vessels and sperm cells from damage. Better protection equals better function. Second, they boost nitric oxide. That's the chemical your body uses to open up blood vessels and get blood flowing where you want it. Without nitric oxide, erections just don't happen. Period. Third, they lower oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress like rust on your car. It slowly damages everything, especially your testosterone-producing cells and sperm factories. Pomegranates help prevent that damage. Still need convincing? Another study showed that guys who drank pomegranate juice daily had lower blood pressure, improved mood, and stronger blood vessel function, all of which equals better erections. Let's be honest, pomegranate can help, but it's not a magic trick. If you're running on junk food, for hours of sleep, and stress from hell, 1 glass of juice won't save you. First, you've got to dial in the big 4. 1. Sleep. Your body builds testosterone while you sleep. Less sleep equals less hormone equals weaker performance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Non-negotiable. 2. Nutrition fuel matters. Too much sugar and processed food wreck your blood vessels and hormones. Eat real food, protein, healthy fats, colorful veggies. Your penis will thank you. 3. Movement. Blood flow is life. Regular exercise boosts circulation, testosterone, and confidence. Even 20 minutes a day makes a difference. 4. Stress. Chronic stress crushes libido and testosterone. Learn how to breathe, unplug, and stop carrying the world on your back. Your sex life depends on it. Once those are solid, then pomegranate gives you that little extra edge. So, should you start drinking it? If you want better blood flow, higher energy in the bedroom, or you're trying to boost fertility, then yes, this is one of the simplest changes you can make. 1 glass. 100% pure pomegranate juice. No added sugar, no fancy brand needed. Just make sure it says cold pressed or 100% juice on the label. You can even eat the seeds if you want bonus fiber and nutrients. Just don't expect a miracle overnight. Drink it daily, stay consistent, and give your body time to respond. It's not about hacks. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to work the way it should. Before you head out, can I ask one quick favor? Only about 20% of the guys who watch these videos are actually subscribed. If you learned anything today that helps you take better care of your health, hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. It's totally free, and it helps us keep cutting through the noise with real, honest men's health advice. Take care of yourself, and remember, your health is worth showing up for.